Are you looking for an easy way to check the word count in your Microsoft Word document? This video will teach you how to view the word count for a section of text or your entire document in Microsoft Word. Launch Microsoft Word. Navigate to an existing document. Select a document. Once your document is open, select on the Review tab at the top center of the window. Select Word Count in the proofing part of the Review tab ribbon. A box will open displaying the number of words, as well as the number of characters, paragraphs, lines, and pages contained in your document. Review your word count. In many documents, the word count is displayed live on the left side of the bottom bar of the document window. Click on this word count to get additional information, such as the number of pages and characters. Place your cursor at the beginning of the text you wish to count. Highlight the section of text. Click on the Review tab. Select Word Count from the Review tab ribbon. A box displaying the number of words, characters, lines, pages, and paragraphs will appear on the screen. The word count for a selected portion of text will usually be displayed in the bottom bar of your document.
If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.